Over the weekend, some images leaked to the internet which reportedly depict an LG G7 ThinQ. While the pictures seem legit, we always advise people to be cautious about accepting leaks and rumors as facts until official media appears. It looks like you didn't have to wait long to get that official media, because today via Android headlines, we have official renders of the follow-up to the LG G6, the LG G7 ThinQ in its 5 launch colors. According to Android headlines, the image above is an official press render for LG's new smartphone, and was provided to Android headlines by a reliable source, along with further information which corroborates the authenticity of the render. So it's reasonably safe to say that the image above is your first official look at what the LG G7 ThinQ will look like, assuming the publication's source is trustworthy. While it backs up the idea that the images leaked over the weekend are likely the LG G7 ThinQ, it gives us our first look at the colors the device will come in when it's launched. According to the source who leaked the press render, the available colors are Aurora Black, Platinum Gray, Moroccan Blue, Raspberry Rose. The Aurora Black option is reportedly the default color choice, which would make sense, as we speculated. This official press render is now our first total confirmation that the LG G7 ThinQ will feature a display notch. This is not unexpected, but there's still an air of humor around a notch appearing in this phone, in particular after LG posted, and removed shortly thereafter, a post on Reddit asking Android fans what they think of display notches. Spoiler alert, it didn't go well. As we speculated, this official press render is now our first total confirmation that the LG G7 ThinQ will feature a display notch. This is not unexpected, but there's still an air of humor around a notch appearing in this phone, in particular after LG posted, and removed shortly thereafter, a post on Reddit asking Android fans what they think of display notches. Spoiler alert, it didn't go well. The one thing this press render doesn't confirm is what the mysterious hardware button on the left side of the device does. The power button is to the right, and then the two at the top left are the volume controls. It's assumed that the new hardware button will be a dedicated AI button, not unlike the Bixby button on Samsung devices. But until we get some official confirmation, that's just speculation at this point. We are expecting that LG should officially announce the LG G7 ThinQ sometime before the end of the month.